This is John Schroyer for the Colorado Springs Gazette. In response to a news story from last week that a supposed $1 million bank account in the El Paso County Sheriff's Department had gone unreported to the county treasurer, the Board of County Commissioners on Tuesday morning unanimously passed a resolution reaffirming a state law that requires all county bank accounts to be overseen by the treasurer.
What we are formalizing in a resolution is already exists within Treasurer State statute. So this resolution just enforces state statute for you, the Board of County Commissioners.
It is important to be able to track this, and so I think it's very appropriate that we pass this resolution today so that we can make sure that at least, even if they're not direct taxpayer dollars, that it's all part of the county's obligation to require accountability among its different offices and departments.
But the morning wasn't without a slight bit of controversy. 4th Judicial District Attorney Dan May, who represents both El Paso and Teller counties, said he had concerns about some of the language in the resolution.
The district attorney is not listed as a county government agency, because we are not. We're a state agency, and that's why we're multi-county. It is Teller and El Paso in my case, but it can be up to 6-7 counties across the state. So we are different than the others that you have in this resolution. I think we're 95% transparent already. I want you to know every bank account. I want you to feel comfortable. But when you pass a resolution that is getting unfettered access to my accounts, I don't think legally you can do it, and I really haven't had the time to research that.
The import of this resolution is not to impermissibly intrude on constitutional officers' accounts, but to simply ask the question, make county departments and officers disclose to us what accounts you have so that we can properly assess and make a legal determination whether they are by law required to be part of the treasurer's office.
Normally I would like to have done this over the course of a couple days, sit down, be able to hammer out language. Because of the speed and notice we got on this, yes, we're making sausage in front of the public now. These are normally discussions we'd have to be able to legally get to the point that we need to get to. And I certainly understand why the county is doing this, why they want to have an accounting of these. We will participate in that.
With all due respect, while you have audits every year on your department and your office, so did the office of the sheriff have audits every year, but yet there were things that we were not notified about nor informed of. And being a representative elected to watch and be a guardian over the taxpayers and the citizens' contribution, it is imperative upon us to ensure them that we do know where every dime that's coming in goes, and that every office, every elected official has an opportunity to be fully transparent.
For all the latest news, like the Gazette on Facebook and follow us on Twitter and Instagram.